Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek His will in all you do. Everybody say all. Do not depend on your own understanding. Seek His will in all you do, and He will show you which path to take. Ooh. The clear pathway of God is to rely on Him and depend on God. In verse 7, I like this. Don't be impressed with your own wisdom. Instead, fear the Lord and turn away from evil. What is wisdom? In a very simple definition, wisdom means you hate what God hates and you love what God loves. That's it. Honor the Lord. You can honor the Lord if you have the fear of the Lord, and if you have the heart of dependency to the Lord. Honor the Lord with your wealth and with the best of everything you produce. When you have fully surrendered to God and be dependent upon God, you are not just given a tidbits of what you have, but you are giving the best, like David. I will not give to God that cost me nothing, but I will give to God that cost me something.